What's going on, guys? It's Aaron with Lansing Lawn Service, and today I want to touch on what you need to bring with you to your tax appointment. Thank you for watching this video today. Please hit that subscribe button and join the lawn crew. Also, if you really enjoy this video, smash that like button and be sure to hit the notification bell next to the subscribe button just to stay notified when we put out a new video. Also, check out our Amazon affiliate links down in the description. Those links take you to different products that we are affiliated with, and when you click on that affiliate link and purchase that item, we get a small kickback from the purchase of that item, and that just helps us to continue creating awesome content like this video. Now back to the video. This video is more geared toward the new business owner. You might be 12, you might be 16, you might be 24, but you've never ran your own business. You've never had to take care of this type of taxes before. And so I want to bring this to your attention because when I first started, I had no idea what I needed to bring other than my income statement. And there are a few other things that you need to bring with you to complete your taxes, and it will just make life so much easier. Now, this is not a comprehensive list. I am going to show you what I am bringing to my tax appointment. You may have different things that you need to bring. It all depends on what you've invested in and all the different things that you offer. So it's important to understand that this is not a comprehensive list. This is simply what I am bringing to my tax appointment, and every year I have to put my taxes on hold and bring a new form or a new document back to the tax office so that they can complete my taxes. So please understand that I am not a tax professional, and this is not a comprehensive list of what you need to bring. Okay, the first thing that you need to bring with you to your tax appointment is obviously your income statement. This income statement lists all the things that you have spent your business money on this year. If you're not paying yourself, you should be, and that should be logged in your income statement as an expense. You also have material costs and all different kinds of things, fuel. And one thing I will tell you that my tax preparer told me is that you need to be separating your vehicle fuel from your equipment fuel. Very important because they are two different tax deductions. So you want to make sure that you're separating your fuel out. It is frustrating, I know, it takes more time, I get it, but you get more money back if you separate them. Alright, so you want to make sure that you bring your income statement. You want to make sure that it's complete, that you have gone from January 1st, 2017 to December 31st, 2017, and you want to make sure that everything is in line in a category and that it is ready to be gone over by your tax professional. The next thing that you should bring, and that I am bringing to my tax appointment, is a list of all the new equipment that you purchased this year or in 2017. I purchased a new trailer, I purchased a truck, I purchased some stick equipment and different things like that. I bought an impact drill, just different pieces of equipment that I purchased that if you don't bring a list, you can't write them off. So you have to have a list of all that equipment that they can deduct what they need to deduct, and so your tax preparer can have that list and they can add that to your tax form because you want those deductions. Trust me, you really do. The next thing that you're going to want to bring with you is your truck or vehicle mileage. This is very important because there are two ways that you can deduct taxes for vehicle fuel or for vehicle mileage. typically, not in every case, but typically, taking the mileage deduction gets you more money back than if you took the amount of fuel that you purchased. So that is something that you must bring with you to get a good tax deduction on your mileage or your fuel, and your tax preparer can decide which would be better for you to take. And without that information, your tax preparer can only go off of what you bring. So if you don't bring your vehicle mileage from year beginning to year end, I'm sorry, you're going to have to take the lower deduction for the vehicle fuel that you purchased, and you're not going to get as much money back. So that is a very important one to bring. The next thing that I am bringing, and one of the final things that I am bringing, it's something new that I did this year, is investments. I have a couple of investments for retirement and things like that, and I have all the tax forms from the different places that I have my money invested in, and that is something new to me. So I'm not sure how that's going to work, but I have the paperwork here to prove my investments so that they can deduct or add on or whatever they need to do. Because let's be honest, if you don't do your taxes right, the government is going to come back at some point on you, and they are going to get you for it. I really strongly recommend that you use a tax professional to prepare your taxes. It's just not worth it to spend the amount of time that you're going to have to spend figuring it all out on your own. TurboTax, stuff like that, you're not going to get the best deductions if you use those pieces of software. You need to find a good tax preparer in your area. If you're in the Lansing area, I recommend Simplified Tax Solutions. I've used them for like 3 or 4 years now. They are very good, and I can't say enough about them. They really do a good job, and I have not had the government contact me for an audit or anything like that, so that's really good. One last thing that I'm bringing with me this year that I haven't brought with me before, and I don't know if they need it, but I'm going to bring all my receipts, and just in case, they may not even look at them because I do have a very good printout from my income statement on everything that I spent, but if they need it, it's there. So I'm going to bring that with me. How I separate my receipts is by month. I just put them all in there and in envelopes at the end of the year, rubber band it together, and then I save it. You have to save your receipts for like 7 years or something like that. So you're going to be hanging on to some receipts and some papers. It's just what the government requires. I know, it's weird. So that's just a few things that I'm bringing with me to my tax appointment, and I hope this helps some of you younger guys, the newer guys that are in the industry that maybe have never run a business before and you don't know exactly what you need to bring. This is something that you need to have, and you should be making your tax appointment by now if you haven't already. Some of you probably have already gotten your taxes done. Normally, I get my taxes done mid-February. We were a little later this year, and that's just the way it worked out this year. So I'm okay with it. You know, we sometimes make mistakes, so I'm okay. We're okay. You'll be okay. All right. So if you guys like this type of video, please comment below that this video was helpful for you, and comment below what you might need to bring. Now, you don't need to give numbers, you don't need to do anything like that, just like forms or, you know, different things like that that you have to bring that might be specific to your business. Put that down in the comments below. It might be helpful for someone else, and I would like to see that as well. Also, hit that like button. Make sure that you're liking the videos, guys. That really encourages me to continue making these videos, and it shows everyone else that you like it. Also, make sure that you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. We put out videos twice a week. Alright guys, thank you again for watching. I really hope this video was helpful, and we will see you in the next one.